Hey everybody, Doug Rucker here with Doug Rucker School and Doug Rucker Store, DougRuckerSchool.com, DougRuckerStore.com, and just got in one of the Mad Max 9-gallon per minute pressure washing cold water machines. I'm fixing to unbox it, so I thought I'd let y'all experience that with me. These have been selling like gangbusters, mainly because of the price. I think we sell them for about $2,700, $2,750, somewhere in that area. They've been a little slow on production because of the Corona thing, but I think within the next couple of weeks they're going to get things straightened out. Our distributor or supplier will. But I love the 8 and 9 gallon per minute machines, because all we do, basically 80% of what we do when we're soft washing, is downstreaming. So I just like that higher flow, both when we're cleaning houses as well as concrete work. It just goes much faster. You can soap faster, you can rinse faster, all that kind of stuff. I've had 4, I've had 5 gallon per minute machines all through my career, but I always end up back with the 8. The higher flow means greater productivity. Yes, you can clean anything with a 4 gallon per minute. You can do it with a 4 or a 5 or a 6 or whatever. But I personally like the 8 and the 9. In fact, we rarely use our soft wash dedicated pump system unless we're cleaning a roof or really, really bad stucco. So for you guys that live in areas where you clean nothing but vinyl sided houses, if I lived in an area like that, I would do nothing but downstream those houses. I would never pull out my dedicated pump. The only time I would use that is if I was cleaning their roof, because downstreaming to me is just way, way faster than pulling out another hose and running chemical through it and then having to rinse that out and having to drag 2 hoses around, or have 2 people and one goes forward and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, I love the 8 and the 9 gallon per minute. Yes, you can clean anything with 4 gallon per minute. I'm not trying to dog 4 or 5s, and we have 5 gallon per minute units too. We just found that we're way faster, and our water supply never has a problem. We run about 100-gallon tanks on our 9 gallon per minute machines. So when we get to the job, the first thing we do is hook up the water hose and let it start filling the tank while we're protecting the property, taping off outlets, ceiling fans, TVs, all of that kind of stuff. But anyway, I want to do the unboxing real quick. I just got this in a week or so ago, and I've been wanting to open it up, but I thought, no, I'll wait and do a video so everybody can see what it looks like. So I'm going to turn the camera down a little bit towards the box so y'all can see, and we'll get to unboxing this thing. See if we can get this thing open up. So basically, get all the packing material out. Wow, it's good. So here it is. We've got the Mad Max 9 gallon per minute. I think this is 3,000 or 3,500 psi, something like that. So it's got the Honda GX 690. And this thing looks just exactly like one from Pressure Pro or whatever. This does not come with the gas tank, does not come with the battery, so you do have to provide that. It's got the green spring unloader on it, which is great. I like those. That's going to go straight to the gas tank. I've ordered a gas tank from Chris Gunther. He's the one where I've got my aluminum skid from, and excuse me, he makes great great gas tanks. They're about $300, I think, but they're well worth it. But that's what it looks like. Let's see over here, it's the same. Hope I'm getting that in good. I'll walk around to the other side as well. Belt driven, of course. And that's what it looked like. So I think what I'm going to do here, guys, is when I put this thing on the trailer, I'm going to do every step of the way. I'm also going to be putting a air diaphragm system. I've got to build another trailer because we've just been so busy and we got to keep up. So I think what I'll do is kind of film it in a series, and then I'll edit it all together so you guys can see, and I'll teach a little bit about on plumbing your tanks, plumbing your, all that comes with it. Get the directional muffler, quad coupler holder, the nozzles. So yeah, I'm impressed. The thing looks like it's well built. I mean, I don't think you can beat that for a General pump TSF 2121 Honda GX 690. Put your battery on, put your gas, hook it up, and you're ready to roll. I can't wait to get this thing going. So yeah, I'll come back and we'll do a little series on building the trailer. I'll probably do it in steps, and we'll get this thing mounted. We'll get the tanks mounted, and I'll show y'all all how I do all that kind of stuff. Get the hose reels mounted. Got some Titan hose reels, I think, coming in. So stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and post this, but the future ones, I'll add this to it and I'll edit it all in so it's one big video, and y'all can see a trailer build in progress from start to finish. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed it. We will have a happy Memorial weekend, and we'll talk to y'all soon. Don't forget, leave me a comment. 4 gallon, 5 gallon per minute. What do you use? What do you prefer, and why? Ask me any questions that you need. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you get the updates as we do the videos. And always coming out with new content and things to help you guys with. Don't forget my online school. If you're just starting out in the business, man, it's awesome. It'll help you drastically cut your learning curve. PressureCleaningschool.com. Click on the Grow Your Business, or the classes. Click over on classes, and there's a drop-down menu. You can click on it. There's over 215 training videos. Lots of people are coming out now with online video trainings. I've had this for 5 or 6 years. I think I was the first guy to ever do it, so kind of ahead of the curve on it. There's also tests that you can take, and you can actually print out a certificate, use that for your website that you got the education, and all of that. So also the one at PressureCleaningschool.com, that's a lifetime membership, one-time fee right now, $449. Price is probably going to go up soon. I also have CleanersUniversity.com. If you can't afford the $449, but you want to take a class like on roof cleaning, or you want to take a class on house washing, or doing estimates, or property protection, or whatever, you can go there, pay it by class. They range anywhere from $49 up to $129 per class. And again, you can take tests. The only thing is you only have a 2-week period to view those videos and take those tests over at CleanersUniversity.com. The online school at PressureCleaningschool.com, that's a lifetime membership. You get access to every video that's on there, as well as any video that I post there in the future. And I'm always posting new videos. So have an awesome day and weekend, and we'll talk to y'all soon.